Hello friend, this is Tim from Multifit Solar. Let me show you what are the factors that affect the price of solar cleaning robot. 1. The size. According to the site drawing, on-site pictures, and the specific size of solar panel provided by customers, we can customize cleaning robots that adapt to the length of photovoltaic panels. At the same time, according to the customer's PV panel array, such as 1, 2, or 3 rows of photovoltaic panels, we can customize single board, double board, or 3 board robots respectively. If it is a special photovoltaic panel, such as a block on the edge on both sides, as long as the corresponding size provided, we can also customize the walking wheel according to the needs. All this above will affect the cost. 2. The configuration. According to the needs of users, the solar cleaning robot can be built in SIM module, or built in Wi-Fi module, or built in dual module to facilitate users to control through mobile phones. All the raindrop sensors selected to be assembled. These configurations will decide the price. 3. The quantity. Costs will factory and required MOQ. The more quantity you order, the more discount you will get. That's all. Thank you.